Okay, what is up, guys? I am the Gaming Baronix, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the secret battle star in loading screen 3, and I shall show you loading screen 3 as I leave the match. Oh my gosh, people are here, and I may not be able to survive, and I might not be able to show it to you. But we are probably going to be able to do it, as there's a plane in the sky, and they're probably heading off now, because Zone is probably coming. Yeah, guys, Zone's coming. Anyway, you will need to maybe farm a few mats. Farm a couple of mats to be able to get up there, which will help. So then you'll be able to find the secret battle star on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head up there and we're going to get it. So we just need to farm those mats. What? 1, 2. So it should be about here. I haven't got my spray paint, but it should be about here on this thing to be able to, and then you'll be able to grab it, and then you're done. So YouTube, hope you enjoyed. Remember to smash that like button because you know every time, and subscribe button because you know every time there'll be like a Fortnite challenge. I'm out there for you guys so I can help you. And till next time, guys. Oh wait, yeah, I was gonna show you that. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb, dude. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the loading screen. So if you want to try and like find it for yourself, then I'll show it for you. What the fuck is in the background? Anyway, okay, look. So guys, if you can see, it's just roughly about there in that loading screen with Sergeant Winter heading off on the plane with all the presents of guns, and it's like sitting on that thing. So you go over there, guys, collect it, and guys, remember you need to be able to you guys have to do the snowfall challenge, yeah, and you'll have to have the battle pass, and you have to find secret battle star in loading screen 1, which is complete 1 week, and then you have to complete 3 weeks in order to be able to get it, and then you'll get the loading screen and you'll be able to find a few more. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to smash that like button because every time there'll be a Fortnite challenge I'm going to be out there to go help you guys. So until next time, guys, goodbye.